Hey Iron Man! Oh, it looks like today Iron Man has some groceries to buy. Iron Man, what are you planning on making? Well, I have a big party today, so I have to buy a bunch of food to feed my friends. Oh really? Okay, so let's start checking out. Let's start by putting all our items on the conveyor belt. Okay, let's see Iron Man, what do you have today? I'm buying corn today, so I'll put that here. And bread, a croissant, a whole turkey. Let's buy the items first. Let's turn all this because there's no more space on the conveyor belt. And let's see, corn, there's no barcode, so it costs 25 cents each. Plus, no barcode here. The bread costs $1. Plus the whole turkey, this will be $3. Let's put more items on the conveyor belt. We have some soda and some hot dog buns. The soda costs 30 cents. And the hot dog costs 20 cents. Oh, but what is this, Iron Man? This is a surprise. I'm gonna buy it too. Okay, well, let's see if there's a barcode. Here it is, the barcode. That costs $2. So everything together costs $6. Do you have any money, Iron Man? Yes, but all I have is a $10 bill. That's just fine. We can exchange the dollar for other money. Let's press this button, put the dollar in here, and we owe you $4. 1, 2. Oh, Iron Man, let's see. We only have $5. Can you give us a dollar back? Yes, I do. I have another dollar. Here you go, Iron Man. Thank you. Here's your dollar. Thank you very much. Perfect! Now you can get going and buy your stuff and play with them with all your friends. So Iron Man, you bought the Surprizamals. Let's just open them up. See what the surprise is. Who is inside? It can be any animal, and they're stuffed animals. You can collect them all. I wonder which animal it's gonna be. Wow! It looks like a dinosaur. It's green, it has wings, and it has sparkly eyes. And it's really fuzzy and soft. His birthday is on August 25th. His favorite color is emerald green, and he's Blake the dragon, a very much loved dragon. There's also some instructions. You can collect all these animals, and it seems like we have Blake right here. Wow, and there's more series on the back as well. That's so much fun. So Iron Man, were you planning on eating with Blake? Yes, that's what I was planning to do. Of course. Here, Iron Man, have a corn. And here you go, Blake. You can have the turkey. Eat up.